Hello, and welcome to this guide on paragraph structure. To make the content of this video more accessible, click the closed captions button or adjust the playback speed. A good essay needs good paragraphs. In this video, we will define what a paragraph is, we will look at the parts of the paragraph, and we will consider three types of paragraphs. A paragraph is a self-contained unit of writing that helps you organize a longer unit of prose, such as an essay, into subtopics. Academic essays require paragraphs to be indented 5 spaces on the first line and double-spaced. In a college essay, there are 3 kinds of paragraphs: introductory, body, and concluding. Fortunately, they all have a similar structure. However, introductory and concluding paragraphs have additional features. The first sentence of an introductory paragraph provides a topic, not just for the paragraph, but for the essay as a whole. As such, it needs to be broad and engaging. The last sentence of the introductory paragraph is also the thesis statement of the essay. As such, it concludes the essay's introduction and provides a transition into the body of the essay. Body paragraphs have 3 main parts: a topic sentence, which states the paragraph's main idea, supporting sentences which develop the main idea, and a concluding sentence which gives closure to the paragraph. This structure can be compared to an Oreo cookie, with the top sentence forming the top wafer, the supporting sentences forming the gooey center, and the concluding sentence forming the bottom wafer. A good topic sentence will do the following. It will form a complete thought with a subject and a predicate. It will make a claim that requires support, and it will make a claim that can be supported with evidence or argumentation. Here is an example of a strong topic sentence in a college essay. A smaller course load is not the best solution for students who struggle academically. The sentence has a clear subject, a smaller course load, and it has a clear predicate or main idea, is not the best solution. A good topic sentence will also tell the reader what kind of paragraph it will be. In this case, a paragraph about cause and effect. After the topic sentence, a paragraph needs supporting sentences that add information about and support the topic. Supporting sentences can define the topic, explain the topic, or give examples of the topic. Here is an example of a supporting sentence. One study has found, quote, "no evidence that high course loads have a negative impact on student grades." Huntington, Klein, and Gill, 2020. This sentence uses a signal phrase to introduce a relevant study, and then it quotes a finding from that study that supports the topic sentence. The last part of the paragraph is the concluding sentence. The concluding sentence reminds the reader about the topic of the paragraph by describing it again, but in different words. By coming full circle in this way, the concluding sentence gives the paragraph a sense of closure. Here is an example of a concluding sentence. As the evidence shows, when a student struggles academically, lowering the student's course load should not be the first option. This sentence reminds the reader of the paragraph's topic and provides a closing thought. You are now ready to transition to your next key point or to your concluding paragraph. The topic sentence of the concluding paragraph should remind the reader of the essay's thesis and begin the process of bringing the thesis into clearer focus. The paragraph's last sentence ends both the paragraph and the essay. As such, it must provide closure for the essay as a whole. In this video, we have defined what a paragraph is, we have looked at 3 parts of a paragraph, and we've looked at 3 types of paragraph. For more academic support resources, read this video's description. Thank you for watching. We hope to work with you soon.